What causes publisher inventory to become unsold or remnant? Let's go through one by one. One of the reason is demand pool is small. What is mean by that? Demand means who are in need for the product. In the case of apples, demand is from customers who want to purchase those apples and they stand on the demand side. If the number of customers who are ready to buy those apples are less, then we can say demand pool is small. Similarly, in our case, demand is from advertisers or ad buyers who are ready to purchase ad inventory and they stand on the demand side. The demand pool is less, there are not enough advertisers or inventory buyers who are in demand for this inventory. Publishers who are on supply side business may not find more advertisers because of limited direct contacts with agencies or advertisers or any buyer. As a result, those small demand pool may not purchase all the available ad inventory and remains some portion of unsold inventory or remnant inventory for publisher.